today I'm going to tell you the secret on how to make use of CapCut to editing AI video. The secret on how to make use of CapCut to editing AI video. This CapCut that is in your phone, how to make use of it to editing AI video. Alright, let's go. Alright, welcome back to my channel, Spokeable Insight. Is it the first time that you come across this video? In this video, we review on how to make money with just your smartphone and how to do AI video editing. Alright, let's go. Alright, this CapCut, I'm going to review to you the secret on how to make use of it. Alright, let me head over to my dashboard. Alright, this is my dashboard, how to make use of AI lab. As you can see, this CapCut now. I'm going to teach you how to make use of AI lab with CapCut. Just watch this video to the end. Alright, let's go. You'll be watching, and this is what I will do now. With this CapCut used to create AI cartoon. Can you see it now? This is how it works. Just watch this video, you will understand it. I want to write my prompt. I'll tell CapCut to do this for me. You'll be watching it now. This is how to write it. After that, you will enter AI lab and generate it. Just be watching and focus on it. This is prompt. Can you see it now? Yes, I'm done. Generate it now. Generate it now. Just wait at the moment. As you can see. You can see it now. Just wait now. I'm generating it now. Generating the image, the AI video. Let's go. Yeah. This is the AI video now. I'm done with it now. I use CapCut to create it, to generate it. As you can see it now. These are the cartoons that I use CapCut to do. They are dancing. Yeah, can you see it now? Yes, this is the word of CapCut. This is what CapCut can do. Yes, you have CapCut, this is what it can do. Alright, let's go to the second one. As you can see, this CapCut too, I use it to generate AI video. This is my prompt. Yes, this is my prompt. As you can see it now. I'm generating it now. Can you see it now? Yes, this is how CapCut work. CapCut, there's what we call free version. Yeah, in case that you need this CapCut free version, just go to my DM. I will reply you. Yes, this is the work of CapCut right now. This is what CapCut can do. It make work easy without stressing. No stress. It make work easy. Yeah, if you want to become a content creator as a new beginner in 2026, I'm going to generate another one now. I ask ChatGPT to prompt it. This how it will be. Give me this, give me that. Can you see it now? Just be watching now. This is what CapCut can give me now. Can you see this is the CapCut? This is called free version. Do you see it now? It's what I asked ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it there. Enter the AI lab. Just be watching it now. Just be watching it now. Just paste it there now. This is what I told you to do for me. Yes, select the photos. Yes, do this, do that. Can you see it now? You go to generate it for me now. Just be watching it and watch this video to the end. Just focus on this video to the end. Can you see it now? This is the word of CapCut. CapCut make things easy. AI easy. Yes, it make AI easy now. Alright, just focus on it now. This is what CapCut can do. If I forgot, this is the first time you come across this video, please kindly hit the notification button. Anytime I drop new update, you'll be the first person to see it. Alright, let's go. Can you see it now? This is what I asked ChatGPT to do for me. I pasted on CapCut, and CapCut is going to generate it now. Yes, it will generate it now and make a video. Just be watching it now. Can you see it now? You see it now? This is the image. Can you see the image now? The video. Alright, let's play the video. Can you see it now? Can you see it's working? What are you enjoying the video, right? Yes. This is what CapCut can do. If you have CapCut, you don't know how to use it. You have missed a lot. Go and learn more on how to make use of CapCut to do AI video animation in 2026. People are making money on AI video animation in YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and other social media. Can you see it now? This is the work of CapCut. This is what CapCut can do. Can you see it? It's so amazing, right? Yes, so amazing. That's what CapCut can do.
Watching my video, I hope you understand. You gain a lot of something on how to make use of AI as a new beginner guide. Please, I just need your own opinion at the comment section. As you do so, God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.